So we're going to be talking about the difference between market value and replacement value. Okay, so very briefly, when we speak about market value, we have to think about price or market price first of all. So that's one concept to understand. The market price is a willing buyer and a willing seller equals a price that they would agree that the property would be sold for. Okay, and that would be your market price. Now, your market value is similar, except it is the estimation of that being determined from a pool of data. So you might have recent sales for an area for a certain type of house, and you would expect a house to sell for a certain price over a reasonable period. So within 30 days or in a normal 60-day market, you would expect this house to sell for X number of rands, and that would be your estimated market value. Okay, so you get your market price from a willing buyer and a willing seller's sale price, and then you have a market value determined by trying to estimate or work out what you expect that price to more or less be. Okay, then you have replacement value, which is completely different. Replacement value, on the other hand, will be where you're trying to determine what it would cost to put that house or that building back in its position that it was before the negative event. So let's say the house was completely destroyed in an earthquake, and now what would it cost to rebuild that house? In other words, taking into account removing the rubble, putting it all back together, planning, and then building, and the house then complete. What would it cost to achieve that? And that would be replacement cost. Okay, so one is the price that something sells for, and the other one is to put it back the way it was before the event. Okay, thanks very much. Don't forget, please like this, please share this, and of course, please subscribe to us YouTube channel. We'd love to have you on board. See you again. Thank you. Cheers. Bye-bye.